good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it may be, wherever you may be. It is I, Captain Madlove, coming at you with yet another chapter from the Captain's Log, or shall we call it a page today? This should be pretty brief. Listen, I don't know if you guys have heard about it or not, but have you all been introduced to the original Grimm Gripp? So I was sent this Grimm Gripp by Mr. Grimm himself. That would be Captain Slaymore. He is a member of our crew. And he wanted me to do a review on this for you guys in order to see how I liked it for miniature painting. And I will tell you, I do not just like it. Hey, I fucking love it. Okay, so let me show you a few things about it. Okay, first of all, the Grimm Gripp, which has been revised. A few of the things that I had to add to the subject matter that I felt needed to be tweaked and or changed had to do with the size of the grip itself. Okay, and if you go to the Kickstarter, which I put all of that at the very front of the video, you will be able to take a look at exactly what it's going to look like when it comes off the lathe, all right? So in the meantime, in spite of that, a lot of things are going to stay the same. Now, my understanding is that this up here, this portion, will be replaced by a skate bearing, which will make this revolvable up here, which will be really cool. The ball does twist right now. It also comes off. This is a magnetic ball, and each end of the Grimm Gripp has a magnet on it. Slaymore watches me all the time painting and thought, you know what, there's got to be a better way to do that. The invention of the Grimm Gripp was born. Here she is. Now, let me show you all the convenience about this. For starters, okay, you're going to put a little magnet, or you're going to put a metal washer on the bottom of your miniature, and you're going to magnet it to the grip. The nice thing about this is that while you are painting, not only can you rest your hand on something and just kind of casually hold it in your hand like this, and the reason that you can do that, all right, is because of the convenience of just being able to turn the miniature. Not just turn the miniature, but you can turn the miniature this way and paint down all in them private areas. Turn him this way, all the way around, right? And paint every angle, top, etc. Right? Now you say to me, oh, I hear it already. Oh, but I got this miniature and it's all in pieces and it needs to be pinned and it's small. And what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to tell you to set this one aside. All right? And then I'm going to say, stick your little pieces on your little cork. Take some two-sided tape. Stick a washer on the backside. Stick it to the top of your Grimm Gripp. And I'm going to say, paint that sister a battle, my friend. Paint that sister a battle. And you're going to go this way and that way, and you're going to come around the side like this, and you're going to go this way and that way, and it's going to hold on for you, and it's going to be great, all right? Because you do not have to do this. If you want to do this, you can, okay? But you can actually just twist this right here on the little grip, get the angle that you want. It holds on to it for you, and there you are, up inside everywhere you need to be, all right? Oh, but wait, you say to me, I have this one. It's much bigger than that. It's top heavy. What am I going to do? It won't fit. Well, you know what I'm going to say is I'm going to say, take off your balls. Set them aside. Let them relax. Grab that top heavy guy. Put him on here and paint away, my friend. So convenient, actually, when they're larger, you know? I'm serious. You want to paint upside down? It's so convenient because it's so lightweight and easy to manipulate. Oh, but you say to me, wait a minute. You know what? I need it brought up more. I don't even want to hold it. I want to go hands-free. You know what I got to say about that? An old peanut can. Good excuse to buy a $30 bucket of peanuts, eat them up, and save the can. All right? So what do you mean that's not the same one I started with? Are you being serious? You know what? You check the bloopers and find out if that's true. In the meantime, you want to go hands-free? Is that what you said? Rest your elbows on something and paint away. Turning, painting, turning, painting. Oh, wait, what? It's too high. Well, you know what? And you've got a lot of pieces. Man, you guys, I'm telling you what. You got a guy, you got a lot of pieces. Let's put the ball back on. Let's put our guy back on. All right, but you got a lot of pieces. You kind of want to interchange. $2. $2 at Goodwill. An old baking pan. There she is. Hands free. Turning, turning. Painting, painting. Angles. And all your little pieces. All kept nicely together. Just the way you want them. And you know what? You want to paint a little piece? And maybe you don't want to stick it on a cork? Oh yeah, baby. Let's paint that little piece right there. You're going to paint that little bitty piece and stab it in a piece of foam over there? You can do that too. Point is, versatile is the word. Convenient, do I like it? Hell yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. I can't wait for the new handle design. I feel extremely confident about how well it's going to do, but now here's the thing I want to tell you. At the end of this, we're going to give you all the information that you need in order to get where you need to go, but I forgot one thing. You might ask me, but wait, I've got some really much larger models. Again, set your balls aside. Let them relax. Take that big bad boy. You ever tried to work on one of these and you just keep crushing all the small stuff on the base? I found a cure. Yes, I did. So now I can do all my gluing and all my little painting on the base, upper skirt, whatever. She balances on the flat part. The big ones do real well. What do you need on the bottom? You need one of them washers. That's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. I feel extremely excited to get mine. Well, not like I don't have one already, but hey. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen. It is a wrap. That is the Grimm Gripp. The original Grimm Gripp. All right. At the end of this video, not only will there be bloopers, because holy crap, you guys, you'd have thought I was trying to freaking launch a rocket or something. I broke miniatures and everything. I will make sure to put those in there for you because I'm sure you find them quite entertaining. And in the meantime, we will give you all of the information to get your hands on one of these bad boys. The thing that you need to remember about the Grimm Gripp is there is only going to be a limited number of them made. Not only a limited number, but a limited number of each color for the sake of variety. So you do want to keep your eyes peeled on this, all right? Because if you want to get your hands on one, then you want to be part of what's going on involving the Grimm Gripp. You definitely want to keep your eyes on Captain Madlove. That's right. YouTube, Twitch. You guys know where to find me. Point is that, you know, I've pretty much given up all my other mini holders. And I have a feeling that this is going to be something that works out really good for you guys. Okay. We will call this a wrap. And I will send you to the bloopers. But first, where to get it, how to get it, you already know why you want it. All right. So let's see. I'll see you guys sooner than later. And when I see you again, hopefully you guys will have got some painting done. Between now and when I see you again, you know the things. Self-care. If you do not care for yourself, you cannot care for anything else. And what are those three things? Paints, brushes, minis. Get your fucking paint on. I'll see you guys online. Oh my God. Grab that top heavy mini. Put a washer on the opposite side. Stick its boot. Oh, look at this guy here is broken. And we got a broken one. Oh no, that's totally not good. Okay, cut. Well, the first thing I got to tell you is don't grab the good spaghetti pot. I mean, that was my first inclination. And I did grab it. It doesn't stick to the good spaghetti pot. Also, I took the liner out of the rice pot. thinking, hey, that'll do the deal. Yeah, no, it doesn't stick to that either. So the good news is you're not going to get in trouble because you're not going to be stealing things from the kitchen because it doesn't really like those appliances. It likes oddball things like, oh, let's just say, might be boobs. No, I think it's a Sister of Battlehead with a mask. I'm not sure. I'm with googly eyes on. Anyway, that all set aside. It's like, seriously, you are too much for me to handle. Okay, let's set this guy aside. Let's go back to this guy here. He's got a lot of pieces. Oh my God. I am having a day of it.